Hi crochet friends, I am going to take some time today to share with you how to work the short rows on my Snuggle Dragon. So I am making a smaller one today with a worsted weight acrylic yarn, and I've completed rows 1 through 12, and I started 13A already, so I've done my single crochet 27. And as you can see, that does not take me all the way around. It leaves some stitches unworked, and that's okay. And from this point, I'm gonna just turn and work 13B, single crochet 21. Again, I don't work all the way to the end, so some of the stitches are left unworked, and I'm going to turn again and single crochet 18. And we have 3 stitches there left unworked. We're going to turn again and single crochet 15. Okay, we've left 3 stitches unworked there, and we're going to turn again, single crochet 12. Three stitches left unworked there. We're going to turn and single crochet 9. Okay, so we have the 3 stitches left unworked there too. So this is what it looks like after doing those short rows. You'll see we have kind of like these stair steps up on both sides. And when we work the last part of the short row, we're actually going to pull these ledges together, and it makes the top of the head curve down a little bit. Okay, so for our last row, I'm going to turn, single crochet 8, and we have 1 stitch left unworked on that row, right? So we're going to do a decrease in that stitch we've left unworked there. So we're going to insert our hook into that stitch. And for these decreases where we're going down these stair steps, I like to do just a normal decrease, not an invisible decrease. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, then I'm going to go into the stitch that's left unworked in the row below. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook, pull that somewhat tight. And we're going to do a single crochet in this middle stitch. Then we're going to do another decrease to go down the next ledge. So insert there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over down below, and pull through, and then pull through all 3 of those loops. Okay, so our second one is done. Single crochet in this unworked middle stitch. And one more time, we're going to decrease, so insert into that last stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over down below into the next unworked stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and single crochet in the next stitch. we're going to single crochet 4 to finish off 13G. So after you connect your ledges there, you can see it forms a smoother line, and it's kind of curved. So now we're going to do the same, working up the other side to get rid of these ledges. Okay, so round 14, single crochet 5. Okay, so we're going to do the same special decreases here, but in the opposite direction. So first we're going to go through this last unworked stitch here at the bottom, yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to go through this corner stitch up here, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and single crochet in that middle stitch. Okay, do that again, yarn over in the stitch at the bottom, go into the stitch up here at the corner, finish your decrease, single crochet in that middle stitch, single crochet in this unworked stitch here in the bottom corner, not single crochet, yarn over and pull through, we're doing our decrease, and then yarn over and pull through this top corner, finish our decrease, and single crochet in the next stitch, and then we single crochet 16 to finish our round. All right, so you can see here all of our little stair step rows are gone. Okay, so it's nice and smooth, and you can see how we're starting to get this curve. Now some of these short row sections work a little bit differently. In this one we are decreasing, so we started with 33 stitches around, and after all these short rows we end up with 27. Some of the short row sections we're keeping that number the same, so make sure you're following the pattern so you're putting your stitches in the right spot, but that's how you work the short rows, and that's how you connect all of the different levels. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you have any more questions, let me know. I'm here to help you out. Can't wait to see your snuggle dragons.